students. Today I will teach about complex number. Already last class I had trigonometric function already completed. Today complex numbers fifth one. Last class we were studying complex numbers. What is complex number and rectangular form of complex number, algebraic operations using by complex number, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, right. Next, ith power of complex number. Ith power of complex number. Or value. First one, I power 1. I power 1. I power 1 is equal to root of minus 1. Root of minus 1. Square root of negative value. Square root of negative. That is the square root of negative minus 1 is equal to I. I is imaginary. I is imaginary. First letter of imaginary. That is iota and imaginary Greek word. Okay. So I is equal to root of minus 1. I is equal to root of minus 1. And I square. I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. I square means root of minus 1 the whole square. Root of minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus 1. Okay? Right. Next one. I cube. I cube is equal to I square into I. I square into I. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Minus I. So I cube is equal to minus I. I cube equal to minus I. Right. Next. I power 4. I power 4. I power 4 is written as I square into I square. I square into I square. You know, I square value is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So I power 4 is equal to plus 1. I power 4 is equal to plus 1. Right. Next, higher order of I power terms. For example, I power 5. I power 5. I power 5 is written as I power 4 into I. I power 4 into I. You know, I power 4 value is equal to 1. I power 4 value is equal to 1. So 1 into I is equal to I. This is I power 5. I power 5. I power 5 is written as this I power 4 plus 1 is 5. So I power 4 into I. I power 4 plus 1 is written as I power 4 into I. So I power 4 value, you know, I power 4 value. So I power 4 value is 1 into I is equal to I. Okay. And any number I power any greater value of 4. That is I power generally general form. I power 4n. I power 4n. That is fourth multiple. Fourth multiple value. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on etc. Multiple of 4. Here I power 4n is equal to 1. Here n is belongs to z. N is belongs to z. N is belongs to z means integer. N is belongs to z means integer. Okay? Right. I power 4n is equal to 1. I power 4n plus 1. I power 4n plus 1. I power 4n plus 1 is equal to I. I sir. I power 4n plus 1 is written as I power 4n into I power 1. Into I power 1. That is fourth multiple of n plus 1. Plus 1. This example. One of example is I power 5. I power 5. So I power 4n is I power 4 into 1. I power 4 into 1. Into I power 1. That is I power 4 into 1 value is 1. Into I power 1 is I. So I power 4n plus 1 is written as I power 4n into I power 1. So fourth multiple plus 1 terms is equal to I power 1. I power 4n plus 1 is equal to I power 4n plus 2. I power 4n plus 2. I power 4n plus 2 is equal to I square. I square value is already know, so minus 1. Minus 1. Say I power 4n plus 2 example. I power 6. I power 6. I power 6 equal to I power 4 into 1 plus 2. That is 4 in formula. Fourth multiple. 1 4 are 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6. So I power 4 into I power 2. I power 4 value is 1. I power 2 value is minus 1. So 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So I power 4n plus 2 added. I power 4n plus 2. That is fourth multiple plus 2. Fourth multiple plus 2 is I power 4n plus 2 is equal to I power 2. That is I minus 1. Minus 1. Next I power 4n plus 3. I power 4n plus 3. I power 4n plus 3. An example is I power 7. I power 7. I power 7 is I power 4 into 1 plus 3. 4 and so 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Right? Next, I power 4 into I power 3. I power 4 into I power 3. 4 into 1. So I power 4 and value is 1. So 1. Into I power 3 value is minus I. So 1 into minus I is minus I. So I power 4n plus 3 is equal to minus I. Minus I. Any greater value of ith power is written as this four forms only. This four forms only. 1 for fourth multiple or fourth multiple plus 1 or fourth multiple plus 2 and fourth multiple plus 3. So fourth multiple value 1. I power fourth multiple plus 1 value is I. I power fourth multiple plus 2 value is I square, that is minus 1. So I power fourth multiple plus 3 is I cube, that is minus I. Minus I. Okay? Right. Next. Okay, next. Square root of a negative real number. Square root of a negative real number. And I square is equal to I square is equal to minus 1 no. So I is equal to root of minus 1. Root of minus 1. That is plus or minus, root of minus 1. So I is equal to root of minus 1. Okay? Right. Next. We know that root of AB. Root of AB is equal to root A into root B. Root A into root B is written as root of AB is equal to root A into root B. Root B. Here A and B are for every A comma B is belongs to R plus. That is positive real number. That is positive real number. First one. This result is can be true for all A comma B, A and B. A and B are positive real number. Positive real number, and A is less than 0. If A is less than 0 and A is greater than B is greater than 0. Here A negative and B positive, or A is greater than 0 and B is less than 0. That is A is positive, B is negative. But not true for A is less than 0 and B is also less than 0. Both are negative. Both are negative. Okay? Right. Here root A into is not equal to root of AB. When A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. So root A to root B is not equal to AB. Okay, right. Next one. Root of AB is equal to root A into root B equal to 0. When A or B, then A or B is anyone 0. Anyone, either A or either B, anyone 0, then the value of root AB is also 0. Okay, right. Example, root of minus 3. Root of minus 3 is written as root of minus 1 into 3 is equal to root minus 1 into root 3. You know root of minus 1 is I, so root 3I. So root 3I. Okay, right. Next. So one more example of root A into root B is not equal to root of AB, and A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. That is A and B are both are negative. Example 1. You know I squared value is minus 1. I squared value minus 1. This I squared is written as I into I into I value is root of minus 1 into root of minus 1. Root of minus 1. Here, the same result, root AB equal to root A into root B, right, is equal to root of minus 1 into root of minus 1, root of minus 1 is written as root of minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is root of plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Root of 1 is equal to 1. This is completion. Why is that? Already know I squared value is minus 1. I squared value is minus 1. I equal to root of minus 1. Then I squared is minus 1. Here I squared is equal to I into I is equal to I value is root of minus 1 and same I value is root of minus 1. Okay, is written as root of minus 1 to minus 1 is equal to root 1 is equal to 1. This value is contradiction. Here I squared value minus 1, but here I squared value plus 1. So two values are different. It's not equal, so contradiction. So, but not true for A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. That is negative. Both numbers are negative. So, root A is root B is not equal to root AB when A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. Therefore, root A into root B is equal to root AB when A and B are positive real numbers, or A negative, B positive, or A positive, B negative. But not true for A less than 0 and B less than 0. But not true for A less than 0 and B less than 0. This result is not true. Therefore, root A into root B is not equal to AB when A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. Okay? Right. Next. Next, identities. To prove the following identity. Identities. First one, Z1 plus Z2 the whole square is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus 2Z1 Z2. For all complex numbers, Z1 and Z2. For all Z1 and Z2 are complex number. Complex number is C. Complex is of all complex number. It is denoted C capital C. Already know a natural number is contained is equal to whole number is contained is integer is contained, rational number is contained, real number is contained, complex number. Okay, This result is very very important. Right. Next, here Z1 and Z2 is set of all complex number. Set of all complex number. That is capital C. Okay. Right. Prove this property. Proof. LHS is Z1 plus Z2 the whole square. Z1 plus Z2 the whole square is written as Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z2. Z1 plus Z2. Ordinary multiplication. Z1 plus Z2 into Z1. First one Z1. Multiple of first term Z1 plus Z1 plus Z2 of Z2. Second term Z2. This is distributive property. This addition of distributive property. So Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z1 plus Z2 into Z2. So it is written as Z1 into Z1. Z1 into Z1 is Z1 squared. That is Z1 squared plus Z2 into Z1. Z2 into Z1 plus Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z2 is Z2 squared. Z2 squared. Okay, right. Z1 squared plus Z2 squared. Z2 squared plus here Z1 Z2 and Z2 Z1 Z1 and Z1 Z2. Already you know complementary properties 2 and the multiplication of complex number. So Z1 into Z2 is also is equal to Z2 into Z1. So same, both are same. So plus 2 into Z1 Z2. These two terms is written as 2 Z1 Z2. Here distributive property, here complementary property. Multiplication of complementary property. So Z1 plus Z2 the whole square is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus 2 Z1 Z2. Simple A plus B whole square formula. Same as simple A plus B whole square formula. Okay. Next, second one. Z1 minus Z2 the whole square. Similarly, we can go other ideas. It is Z1 minus Z2 the whole square is A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square formula. So Z1 square plus Z2 square. Here minus. So minus 2 Z1 Z2. Here plus Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 square plus Z2 square plus 2 Z1 Z2. But here Z1 minus Z2 whole square. So Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 Z2. Minus 2 Z1 Z2. And third one Z1 plus Z2 the whole cube. Z1 plus Z2 the whole cube is equal to A plus B whole cube formula. A plus B whole cube formula. So A plus B whole cube formula is Z1 cube, A cube plus B cube, Z2 cube plus 3A squared B. That is 3 Z1 squared and into Z2 plus 3AB squared. That is 3 Z1 squared. Z1 plus Z2 the whole cube. Right, fourth one, same as Z1 minus Z2 whole cube. Z2 minus Z1 is equal to Z1 cube plus, here minus, so minus Z2 cube minus Z2 cube minus 3 Z1 square into Z2 plus 3 Z1 into Z2 square. This formula is simple. Replace plus Z2 is replaced minus Z2. Replaced by minus it into this formula. So Z1 cube minus the whole cube is minus Z2 cube and plus 3 Z1 square into minus Z2 is minus 3 Z1 square into Z2 plus 3 Z1 into minus Z2 the whole square is positive. So plus 3 Z1 square. Okay, right. Next, fifth one Z1 square minus Z2 square. This is A square minus B square formula. A square minus B square formula. Same as, so Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 minus Z2. Simple formulas. Okay, right. Next, example 2. Already teach example 2. And next one, modulus and the conjugate of complex number. Modulus and conjugate of next modulus and conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Right. Let's any one complex number that is equal to x plus iy or a plus ib or c plus id, any one general form. So let z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus y. X plus y is one complex number. Here x and y are real numbers. X is one real number and y is a real number. How do you know x plus iy is a standard form? This is standard form or rectangular form. This is standard form or a rectangular form. Okay. This form is read as standard form or rectangular. What means standard form? Standard form is real part plus I into imaginary part. The real part plus I into imaginary. Here x is normally x is real part of z and y is imaginary part of z. Imaginary part of z. And I is imaginary unit. Is a imaginary unit. Here x is real part and y is a constant of y. Value of constant of y, that is y. Y is imaginary of z. Imaginary of z means this complex number. Imaginary part of this complex number. Okay, x is a real part and y is imaginary part. Here I is called imaginary unit. I is called imaginary unit. Okay, x is a real part and y is a imaginary part and I is a imaginary unit. Okay, right. Next, first of all, modulus and conjugate of complex. First, modulus of this complex number. Modulus is denoted as modulus of z. Modulus of z. Modulus of z means modulus of x plus iy. Modulus of x plus iy. Modulus of x plus iy is equal to root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Here real part square, real part is z. Sorry, real part of z is x. So x square plus imaginary part of z is y. So z square. So therefore modulus z is equal to root of x square plus y square. This is modulus. Modulus of any complex number is written as root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Geometrical representation of modulus. Modulus of complex number. Modulus of complex number. Okay, right. Modulus of this complex number, let's x and y. This is active plane, and I teach the next exercise. So x and y is x axis and y axis. Here was RG, RG. Here a complex number x plus y is a rectangular form or standard form. This is standard form of a complex number. This complex number is written as ordered pair. This complex number is written as ordered pair x comma y. X plus iy is written as ordered pair x comma y. X comma y. This is ordered pair. This is ordered pair. Coordinate point of x plus iy. The x comma y is not p. That p is x comma y. This is x distance. This is x distance. It's y. Here OP. OP is modulus z. What value of modulus z? Modulus is that is a distance between the point from origin. OP. Distance between O to P is equal to modulus z. And distance between formula, distance between 2 points. You know 10th standard. You know the study in 10th standard. So distance between 2 points d equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Apply this form. So d is equal to d means OP is equal to O is RG. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is x1, y1 and x, y is x2, y2. So apply this form. So x2 is x minus x1 is 0 the whole square plus y2 is y. Y1 is as 0, y minus 0 also. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square whole root of. So root of x square plus y square. This is modulus this is. This is modulus this or using Pythagoras formula. Right angle. This is a right angle triangle. Let's Q and OQP is a right angle triangle. Triangle OQP is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras formula, you know Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse is here, OP is hypotenuse. So OP here is theta. So OP square is equal to opposite side is here, opposite side is y, so y square plus and adjacent side is x, so x square. So OP is modulus z. Modulus z square is equal to x square plus y square, which implies modulus of z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Same. So modulus of z is equal to this modulus of every complex number is equal to root of real part square. Here x is real part plus y is imaginary part. So root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Modulus value of any complex number is equal to square root of positive value. Only modulus value is only positive. So positive square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Okay, right. Next, and conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number. That is the same as z is x plus y minus. Be a complex number. X and y are real numbers. So z is complex number. X plus y. Conjugate of a complex number. Here modulus of complex number. Modulus. Right. The conjugate of complex number, this z is x plus y. Then the conjugate of complex number z is represented z bar. This z bar is conjugate of this complex number z. What's mean conjugate? Conjugate is z bar is equal to imaginary part. Here imaginary part is positive. Then z bar is x minus I. That is I is replaced by minus I. This is conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of any complex number is written as z bar is equal to I is replaced as minus I and same complex number x plus I here. So I is replaced as minus, so x minus I. For example, z equal to 1 plus I. Then z bar means conjugate of this complex number 1 plus I. Here I plus I is replaced by minus I. So 1 plus minus I is written as 1 minus I. 1 minus I is a conjugate of complex number. And z equal to 1 minus root 3. Then z bar is equal to 1 minus root 3 into I is replaced by minus I. So minus to minus is equal to plus. So 1 plus root 3. So conjugate of any complex number, then I value positive, then written as conjugate of this complex number is negative. Suppose negative value, then it is written as positive I. Okay, so z equal to x plus iy, then the conjugate of this complex number z bar is equal to x minus iy. X minus iy. Suppose that z equal to x minus iy, then z bar is x plus iy. So suppose x minus x, z is minus x minus y. Z is equal to minus x minus y. Then z bar is what value of z bar? That is conjugate of complex number. Same minus x, real part is not changed. Same value. Here minus x, same as minus x. Minus, here minus I is replaced as plus I. That is minus of minus I plus I. So only change in I value, I sign of I value. Minus I, here plus I. Suppose plus I, minus I. Okay, so z equal to minus x minus iy, then z bar equal to minus x plus iy. Here only change in I sign only. Coefficient of I value only. Okay, right. Right, next, some property notes. Same modulus and conjugates. First one, modulus of z1 into z2. Modulus of z1 into z2 is written as modulus z1 into modulus z2. Modulus z1 into modulus z2. z1 and z2 are two complex numbers. Here z1 and z2 are complex numbers. Complex numbers. Okay, right. And second one property, z1 into z2 and so on etc. zn is written as modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into modulus of z3 and so on etc. modulus of zn. Modulus of zn. And division of two complex numbers, that is modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Here z is not equal to 0. Here z is not equal to 0. And modulus of z1 plus z2. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. This is triangle inequality. Its name is triangle inequality. Right. Next, modulus of z1 minus z2. Modulus of z1 minus z2 is written as greater than or equal to modulus of z1 modulus whole modulus of modulus z1 minus modulus z2. Okay, this is modulus property, very important property. Modulus of z1 is equal to modulus z1 into modulus z2, and modulus of z1 into z2 and so on etc. z1 is equal to modulus z1 into modulus z2 and so on etc. to modulus z2. Right. Modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus z1 by modulus z2. Here z2 is not equal to 0. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. This is triangle inequality property. Next, modulus of z1 minus z2 is greater than or equal to whole modulus of. Very important. Whole modulus of modulus z1 minus modulus z2. Modulus z1 minus modulus z2. Here, modulus of z1 minus z2 value is positive or negative. So, whole modulus means modulus of any positive or negative is equal to positive value, and modulus of plus positive value is also positive. So modulus value is again positive value. So whole modulus. Okay, right. Next, another one modulus problem. Modulus of z square is written as z into z bar. Z into z bar. This is very easy, which implies z bar equal to modulus z square by z. Modulus z square by z. Or z equal to modulus z square by z bar. Modulus z square by z bar. This is one important property. And next one, and conjugate property. Conjugate of complex numbers. For example, z1 plus z2. Sorry, conjugate of z1 plus z2 is written as z1 bar plus z2 bar. And z1 plus z2 plus and so on etc. plus zn. Conjugate of z1 plus z2 plus and so on plus zn is written as z1 bar plus z2 bar plus and so on etc. plus zn bar. Zn bar. And modulus of z, sorry, z1 into z2, conjugate of z1 into z2 is written as z1 bar into z2 bar. And another one, z1 into z2 into z3 and so on etc. zn. Conjugate of multiple of complex number is written as conjugate of each one terms. So z1 bar into z2 bar into z3 bar and so on etc. zn bar. And z power n whole bar is written as z bar the whole power n. Z bar the whole power n. This is a conjugate property. Right. Next, an important one. Next very important property, and conjugate and modulus. Relation between conjugate and modulus. Let's z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus iy. And conjugate of z is, that is z bar is x minus i. X minus i. Modulus, you know, modulus of z, modulus of the complex number is root of real part square plus imaginary part. So modulus, that is x square plus y square. And modulus of z bar is equal to square root of, here real part is x, so x square plus imaginary part is minus y. Here imaginary part is minus y. Right. Minus y. Minus y the whole square. Minus y the whole square is also equal to x square plus y square. Here modulus z value is x square plus y square, and modulus of z bar is also equal to root of x square plus y square. Root of x square plus y square. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Modulus of z is also equal to modulus of z bar. Modulus of z is equal to modulus of z bar. Now another one property, z bar the whole bar is equal to z. Z bar the whole bar is equal to z. That is z is x plus i. Then z bar is x minus i. Again conjugate of this complex z bar is z bar the whole bar. That is x minus i with the whole bar. X minus i with the whole bar. That is z bar the whole bar is x minus i. Z bar is x minus i with, so x minus i the whole bar is written as x plus i equal to z. So z bar the whole bar is written as z. Another one property. Okay, right. And multiplicative inverse of, next one, multiplicative inverse of z. Here z is z inverse. Z inverse. Here z is equal to x plus iy. Then z inverse, z inverse means z inverse is equal to 1 by z. That is z inverse means 1 by z. That is a reciprocal of this complex number. So z inverse is equal to 1 by x plus iy. 1 by x plus iy. Right. Take the conjugate of denominator, both multiply numerator and denominator. So x minus iy by x minus iy. Multiply this value is equal to x minus iy divided by x plus iy into x minus iy. That is a plus b into a minus b. You know a plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So x plus iy into x minus iy is x square minus iy the whole square. Minus iy the whole square. Here x minus iy divided by x square minus, here I into y the whole square is I squared value. I squared value, you know, I squared value is -1. So I squared value -1 into y squared. That is x minus iy by x squared minus of -1 means plus, so x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. Here x minus y is iy is x plus iy equal to z. Then z bar is x minus y. So x minus iy is z bar by x squared plus y squared. Modulus of z is root of x squared plus y squared. Then modulus z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. So here x minus iy is written as z bar and x squared plus y squared is written as modulus z squared. Modulus z squared. So z inverse is equal to z bar by modulus z squared. Modulus z squared, which implies this result can be written as z inverse so modulus z squared is equal to z bar by z inverse is equal to z bar into 1 by z inverse is written as z. So z into z bar. Z into z bar. This is already z bar equal to modulus z squared. The previous property. So modulus z squared is equal to z bar. This one of property. Okay, right. Next exercise 5.1 continuous of exercise 5.1. Already 1 to 10 are homework. Next 11th question. Page number 104. 11th question. 11th one. The multiplicative inverse of each of the complex numbers given in exercise 11 to 13. 11, 12, 13. 3 cells. Find multiplicative inverse of each one question. 11, 12, 13. Right. Find multiplicative inverse. Inverse of first line 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Let's z equal to 4 minus 3i. Right? Z equal to 4 minus 3i. Then multiplicative inverse of z is z inverse. That is 1 by z. It is 1 by z. Multiplicative inverse of z is z inverse. It is 1 by z is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. 1 divided by 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3i into the conjugate of the denominator. It is 4 minus 3i. Conjugate of 4 minus 3i is 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i is equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i. This a minus b and a plus b formula. So a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square. So 4 square minus I square 3 square. I square value is this I square 3 square. I square value, you know I square value. I square is equal to minus 1. So 4 plus 3i divided by 4 square is 16 minus I square value is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 3 square is 9. So 4 plus 3 divided by 25 is written as 4 divided by 25 plus 3 divided by 25i. 3 divided by 25i. Right. Next. 12 and 13 are homework. Next 14th question. Listen. 14th question. Express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. That is standard form of a plus ib. Standard form or rectangular form of a plus ib. This expression is 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 whole divided by root 3 plus root 2i root 3 plus root 2i into minus root 3 minus I root. Here plus I root and minus I root. Right. Express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. That is standard form. This expression is written as standard form. We need standard form of this complex number. We need standard form of this complex number. Okay, is equal to here 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5. This form is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. You know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Right. Here 3 square minus b. B is I root 5. You consider I root 5. So I square 5. Root 5 whole square is 5. Here I square value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Divided by root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2i minus multiple of these two terms. So minus root 3 minus of minus is plus I root 2 plus I root here plus root 3 and minus root 3 cancel. Remaining 3 square is 9 minus I square is plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5 divided by root 3 cancel. 2 root 2 I. 2 root 2 I is equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 by 2 root 2 I or multiply by root 2 on numerator and denominator. So 14 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 into root 3 is 4. Right? This is simplifies 14 root 2 by 4 right. 7 root 2 by 12. 7 root 2 by 12. Right? Listen once again. 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 is a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square formula. So 3 square minus I root 5 the whole square is I squared 5. I squared value is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 9 plus 5 14. Root 3 plus root 2i minus of root 3 minus I root 3. And root is written as root 3 plus root 2i minus multiple these two terms. So minus root 3 plus I root 3 cancel minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Remaining 2 root 2i. Simplify this term 7 root 2 by 2i. 7 root 2 by 2i. Right. Next. Example 5 and example 6 are homeworks. Example 5 and example 6 are homework. Okay.